Threeey Atlas, the mysterious interstellar visitor, has once again stunned astronomers. After passing dangerously close to the Sun, this strange object did something completely unexpected. It brightened far more than any comet we've ever seen, and it's now showing signs of non-gravitational acceleration. That means something, or someone, might be pushing it in a way gravity alone can't explain. On October 27, 2025, NASA's Punch satellite captured new images of Threeey Atlas near its closest point to the Sun, a moment astronomers call perihelion. Other space observatories, including Stereo and SOHO, confirmed what Punch saw. The object suddenly flared up, becoming dramatically brighter in just a short time. In fact, its brightness increased roughly in proportion to the Sun's distance, raised to the power of 7.5, far stronger than what's normal for any comet. To put it simply, as it got closer to the Sun, it became way brighter than physics predicted. This kind of explosive brightening has never been recorded for any known comet before. Scientists think there are two main possibilities. Either Threeey Atlas is releasing enormous amounts of gas and dust, showing extreme activity, or it has an unusual chemical makeup that reacts violently to solar heat. Interestingly, this isn't the first time it's behaved this way. When it passed near Mars, the same thing happened, a sudden surge in brightness right before a close approach. Now it's repeating that pattern near the Sun, and nobody knows why. Here, where things get even stranger. According to NASA's David Farnocchia at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, new data shows that Threeey Atlas isn't moving exactly as gravity predicts. It's accelerating slightly faster, a tiny, but measurable, extra push. This effect, called non-gravitational acceleration, is usually caused by outgassing, when sunlight heats up ices inside a comet, releasing jets of vapor that act like small thrusters. But the strength of the push coming from Threeey Atlas is unusual, between 3 times 10 and 2 times 10 astronomical units per day 2. Once it re-emerges from behind the Sun, astronomers will measure this acceleration more precisely. If it's stronger or pointing in a strange direction, it could mean something other than outgassing is responsible, just like what happened with the famous interstellar object oumuamua. Harvard professor Avi Loeb weighed in, saying that if the outgassing is really that powerful, Threeey Atlas must be losing mass very quickly. When it becomes visible again, scientists will test whether its actual mass loss matches those predictions. If not, it could suggest a completely different mechanism, maybe even something artificial, like a thin, light sail-type structure disguised as a comet. Even more baffling, when scientists examined images from solar observatories, they found that Threeey Atlas appeared bluer than the Sun. Now, that doesn't mean it glows bright blue to the naked eye, but its light contains more blue wavelengths and less red, a very strange signature. Normally, dust from a comet makes light redder, not bluer. Professor Loeb called this very surprising, adding that it raises a provocative question. Could Threeey Atlas be powered by a source hotter than the Sun itself? Before disappearing behind the Sun, scientists noticed several other odd behaviors. It developed an anti-tail, a dust stream pointing toward the Sun, then suddenly flipped into a normal tail. It showed negative polarization, a light scattering effect never seen in any comet before. And its gas layers seemed to form a protective shell around the nucleus. Chemical analysis revealed a highly unusual structure. The inner region dominated by nickel, a middle layer rich in cyanide compounds, and an outer envelope made mostly of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. That uneven layering suggests it formed in a very different environment, perhaps outside our solar system entirely. The highest resolution images were taken by the HiRISE camera aboard NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, but so far, those pictures haven't been released, reportedly due to the government funding shutdown. Some researchers even suspect NASA might be holding them back intentionally. As Threeey Atlas moves away from the Sun, it's now heading toward Jupiter, and soon it will pass closer to Earth than ever before. That will give astronomers a perfect chance to capture clearer images and finally unravel its mysteries. After that, it'll slingshot outward again, leaving the solar system behind on a hyperbolic path back toward the stars in the same direction it came from, the constellation Sagittarius, the same region where the mysterious wow signal was once detected. Whatever Threeey Atlas really is, a hyperactive comet, an exotic fragment from another star, or something even more unusual, one thing is certain. It's challenging everything we thought we knew about interstellar visitors. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep space mystery, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.